My dear YouTube family, welcome in my YouTube channel Tech Repair eVantage. Okay, so guys, I welcome you everyone in my YouTube channel Tech Repair eVantage. Okay, so let's gonna start this video. I hope you will find this as a very valuable content. Okay, so let me edit something at here. Let me change the something. Okay, so let's gonna start this video. Here we can see that free freelancers are self-employed independent contractor who wrote professional services to clients across a variety of industries. Over the past few years, freelancing have developed as a potential career option among millennial in India. If you wish to work upon, हाँ बाद में काशू बुआ बस बन जाए एक बार हाँ खाशू होए मैं लाऊंगा तो तेल बढ़ूंगा तो कोई दूसरा खाता बढ़ूंगा हाँ इफ यू विश टू वर्क इंडिपेंडेंटली हाँ बुआ का राख हम तो बुआ राख लिया लेकिन दूसरा करेगा ना बन का राख ले अब बात की बात है चले रेणु के सुशीला दे दिया पिंटन दे दिया गोलियो तो खेरियो कबून दियो फिर हम दिया को नहीं फिर हम आगे जच्ची को नहीं बात तो करी को नहीं बोला हाथ को नहीं आपस में मैं तो खेल दिया मुझको 50,000 मिला दे दो 1.5 लाख बात ही कौन करी रे भाई 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 साइंस वाइन करा लिया यार क्यों दया हाथ को नहीं बुआ तो इंडिपेंडेंटली यू कैन अब देखा देने का तो लगावा थे अब दे पूर्ण पावलो थार में कतरो पोदिनो बुआ तो सबका काम सुधारी ही थे देखो देने का ता करो सो इफ यू विश टू वर्क इंडिपेंडेंटली you can choose a freelancing in the खाली शू में डर दो बुआ बता बुआ ये बता काहे गाला थारे काहे गाला बात में in the field of your choice आज टाइम तो 20 दिन है in the article काल दिशा पर रोटे तो काल बता एक बार we discuss how to become a freelancer and explore some potential freelancer career and their duties है 3 मिनट नो पढ़ लो how to become a freelancer. Here are the right steps to that that you can follow to earn how to become a freelancer. So first of all you have to decide your niche before you start working as a freelancer. Decide your strength and interest. You may then explore your options, analyze market options, find a profitable niche and test your freelance ideas and all these things that you need to be discussed in my channel Tech Repair eVantage. Okay guys, now here you can see that to pick a niche that interests you as your starting point and keep working on that to improve your skills and gain enterprise. If you are not sure that what you are like or what your interest, you can keep your niche fluid, experiment with different projects and other things. Okay guys, now here you can see that related what is freelancer definitions of these things. Now start building your professionals and that will help you to surely about job seeking such as आयो बुआ आयो 2 मिनट और as a beginner you must not always be able to pick which projects you want to work on, but an online presence on various job show how you are accepting work. If you were involved in any freelancing project earlier, upload your work samples on your profile and write your experience to let potential clients know your niche and expertise. Applying on job search platform is one of the best ways to create first assassination as freelancing. Here you can see that typically charge per assessment per hour and so many different kind of things that you will find while working. Lago e buago. पैक कर लिया क्या रोटी अरे मत तो खा लीशू all these things that you need to be do. So guys यही था अपना चूतिया बनती का वीडियो. So see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye, my dear family. YouTube. Bye bye, guys.